Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to autoplay background music on your Wix website. This method is perfect for portfolios, events, or mood-based pages. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important settings. Now, first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for wix.com. Once you are on Wix, you need to simply provide your login credentials and log in into your account. Now this will be your Wix dashboard, where in order to get your Wix website editor option, you need to click on the design site option in the top right hand corner of the screen. If you are using a completely new account here, you need to create or design a website, and for that you will either see the option of create a website here instead of design a website, or what you can do is you can simply click on this my sites option, and after clicking on the create a new site option, you can basically create your website. Now I already have a website that I have created. So once you are in your Wix editor, you need to click on this plus icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Now use the search bar and search for music here. So once you search for music, you will find Wix music. So you need to click on Wix music, and here you can select any of the layouts of your choice. Let's say I want to add this layout in my Wix website. So you need to simply click on that particular layout and it will look something like this. Over here you can adjust it by dragging and dropping it. Now in order to enable the autoplay option, you need to go to the settings. Here in your settings you will see further settings option. So again you need to click on the settings. Over here the last option will be autoplay. So by default it will be turned off, so you need to click on this toggle button in order to turn it on. Now the important note here is that autoplay may not work on all the web browsers, especially in mobile, unless it is muted or triggered by any user action. For better control, I would recommend you to add a mute or unmute button here. So this is how you can basically enable the autoplay background music on your Wix website. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.